In 6.4, what we have to do is we have to take our adjustments and we have to journalize them here in the general journal provided. It's telling us to number the journal page 8. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at my adjustments here, and that's where I'm going to get all of the information I need. But first I'm going to go back to my general journal. I'm going to center the heading, Adjusting Entries. And when I go back to my worksheet again and look at my first pairs, my A's, I have a debit to supplies expense and a credit to supplies. So over here on April 30th, I'm going to debit supplies expense. I'm going to credit supplies for $153. When we do adjusting entries, there is no source document. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for my second pair. I have insurance expense and prepaid insurance. And that is going to be for $125. So what we have to do now is we have to take these 4 items and post them here to the general ledger. So I'm going to start off with supplies expense is a debit for $153. So I'm going to find supplies expense down here. The date is April 30th. This is coming from the general journal, page 8. It's a debit for $153, and I will carry that over. I'm going to take account number 550, and I'm going to put it, back here. I've now got supplies as a credit for $153. So here at the top of the page on April 30th, coming from the general journal, page 8, I have a credit for $153. I had a debit and a credit. I subtract. My new balance in supplies is $75. I take account number 140, and I'm going to put it back here. Insurance expense gets a debit for $125. I take account number 530, going to put it back here. And my very last one is prepaid insurance credit for $125. The date is the 30th, general journal, page 8. We have a credit for $125. I have to subtract to find my new balance. That's going to be $250. I take account number 150, and I'm going to put it back here. And that takes care of Chapter 6, a worksheet with adjusting entries and posting them.